Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would have some fun with you and do a 10-minute fall makeup look. My goal is to stay under 10 minutes. We will see. Now typically I like to take my time doing my makeup every day. I've mentioned before I get up extra early before my children so that I can sit in front of my vanity and explore and play. We all know that that can't be every day. Sometimes we have places to go and we need to hurry. So one product really is what inspired this video, and that is a new blush from Essence. It's just such a lovely shade. I can't wait to get into it. I'm gonna set the timer and let's see how I do. So let's get going.
10 minutes starting now.
I broke my
When
phone.
the timer ends, you can say, Siri, stop.
I'm going to start with my brows, and the quickest brow pencil that I own is this one from NYX. I adore it. This is the Powder Louder. I have it in soft brown, and brows are, in my opinion, the biggest pain. I can waste so much time perfecting, working on those hair strokes. I mean, we don't want our brows to look crazy, but I have spent 20 minutes on my brows alone, and that is unacceptable. I find that this brow pencil just is soft and powdery, and the brows get done super fast. Good enough. Eyeshadow primer, never want to skip that. This one is from Essence. This is the Prime Like a Boss. Mine is almost done. That's probably too much. A little bit goes a long way. Putting this on the eyes to set them up for color, so it'll last, not fade, not crease. Prime in the face. Wet n Wild Impossible Primer. I was reminded how much I enjoy this the other day. It's really strange. I didn't enjoy the liquid version of this. For some reason, this stick, it smooths, it mattifies. My makeup always looks good on top of it. Just pressing it in. Now I'll move into foundation. This Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte. This one I just talked about in my Allure Best of Beauty because they were talking about the niacinamide one, and I was saying no. This foundation is just lovely. It's got really good coverage. It does smell a little bit like paint, but you're gonna pay like $5-6 for it. And it lasts really long. It says that it's matte. I don't know about that. I would call it more of a natural. You could break out your brush. I just felt like using my fingers today. I'll build it up a little bit more after my concealer, which I chose the Makeup Revolution IRL. I love this concealer from the drugstore. It does a very good job. Not too heavy. I like it. Let's stick with our fingers. While that's drying, I'll go back in with a little bit more of the Wet n Wild just to cover up any spots that need a little bit more. Let's set with a little LA Girl Pro Setting Brightening Pink. This is my favorite under eye powder from the drugstore. Of course, I made sure, if I didn't mention, that all of these products are drugstore. They're affordable, so we don't need to be spending a fortune all the time. I'm finding I'm buying more and more drugstore. I'm just splurging on the high-end things that I really think are going to be worth it. Little Coty Air Spun, newer to my collection, and I just can't stop using it. It is so smoothing and mattifying. I've been loving my skin when I use this. Time check. 3 minutes. Am I gonna make it? I don't know. This is the product I was talking about, this Essence Blush Crush. I just recently picked this up and fell in love. The shade, I believe, is Caramel Latte. And this warm fall shade just made me think, wow, I could use this to warm up my entire face. Look at that. Essence always gets it right, it seems. Essence has really nice blushes. And then I'm going to take a big old fluffy brush and I'm going to go right into my crease with this. So it's going to be a lovely monochromatic look. Just make sure you blend into those edges. Little CoverGirl black liner, just to give a little more definition to these eyes, just on the outer thirds. Definition. And it's even got a little smudger that you can use. Best mascara for top and bottom, this Firework by Maybelline. It's one of the very few mascaras that I trust to put on the bottom and the top, and it also builds volume super fast. And you do not have time to be messing around, but you really would like to look like you tried, that you put some effort into it, right? Quick, quick, quick. We got a minute left. Morphe Sweet Tea. I have loved this for a long time. Fill it in. And then if you want to glow, let's use the e.l.f. Hey Honey Lip Oil. Find that you have a little time, go back into your brow pencil, make any adjustments that you need to make. And time's up. Look at that. It looks nice. It looks put together. It looks warm. It looks fall. This was fun. I will have all of the products that I used listed and linked in the description box below. Some may be affiliate links, so if you choose to shop with those links, I get a small commission, and I want to thank you for supporting me and my channel. Star of the show, this Essence Caramel Latte Blush. Love it. Eyes, cheeks, under $5, I think. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment. Tell me how your day's going. Leave me a heart just to let me know you were here. Thank you for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.